Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another Coach unboxing, and I ordered this last week, July 1st, and there is a lot. I think this is for the summer sale. There is a lot of items that went on sale on my wish list, and this item in particular, this has been in my wish list for quite a while. This has never been my priority. I'm just really waiting for this to get marked down. So anyway, I have already taken it off from the box because the box has already been heavily damaged. And this is the packaging. And let me start with this one right here in a small box, and this one feels a little bit heavy. So this has a box, and let me show you the first item. All right, so it has, this one is packaged nicely right here. Look at that one. So this is the first item, and then let's open it and let's take a look what's inside. And it is a dice set. Look at those. So there's 5 in here with different colors. Okay, let me just remove this protective packaging. And okay, so there's 5. Okay, so we have, so this one is in white. So this is more, I'm not really sure. I think this one is painted though, right here. Yeah, I think this was just painted. And as you guys could see, the C logo right there, I think this one stands, or it represents 1. And then there's 2. So this is a nice color. This is more of like an off-white. And then next we have this mustard color. It's the same thing as the other one. And then we have another color. I wish this should have been a different color. And then this one is the 4th one. And then we have the 5th. Pretty much, this one's a little lighter. And these are all, this one came in with a set of 5. And all of these are actually made up of resin, and it has some weight to it. It's actually pretty good. Very nice. And like I mentioned, I have this ever since in my wish list, and this is a collector's piece. I mean, this is something that I cannot wear. This is something that, this is pretty much more of like a display, or something that, if you love the brand, this could be a perfect part of your Coach collection. So that's my thought about it, and I would say the quality seems pretty good. So I just wish that each one of these are probably like debossed or embossed right to the resin. That would be perfect. But it seems that this one is pretty much like painted though. But the weight, it's actually pretty good. And it also came in with this little pouch right here. And this is probably, I would say, my favorite. And another reason why I purchased this, because I can reuse this little pouch. And I was thinking, let's take a look at the detail first. So this one is made up of genuine Gloveden leather. It's very soft, it's supple, and it is very, very smooth. Right here, the usual Gloveden leather, and it has some debossing right here. It says Coach New York, and then we have the C logo, the buckle, and then this has a snap closure. And it is actually, the stitching is actually, yeah, the contrasting stitching, which is in gray, which is quite nice. The interior is lined with leather. It's gorgeous. I totally love it. And also, like I've mentioned earlier, I could use this as a lipstick pouch. So let me see which lipstick. So let me get my lipsticks right here. Let's take a look which one could fit. All right, I have here some of my lipstick. I have here the Louis Vuitton. There's the lipstick, and then this is a Christian Dior, and then I have a Chanel here. And let's take a look how this would fit in here. So let's start with the Chanel. So this one is very slim, so this would, I'm pretty sure this would fit perfectly. See, it fits perfectly with no problem at all, just like that. And then you could just slip it in your purse. Yeah, it fits perfectly. And then I also have this one is Christian Dior. So that one fits perfectly as well. Right there. And let's close it. Yeah. Close it, no problem at all. And then we also have this Louis Vuitton. I mean, this one is just pretty much the same size. So let's close it. Wow, it's amazing. For $66.50 and with full leather, guys, it's perfect. Lipstick pouch right there, and it's made up of leather. Right there. So I love it. I mean, when I first saw this, I said, okay. I mean, it's still a little bit pricey for the regular price. And like I said, I had it in my wish list for a while, and I said, as soon as they're going to mark down this item, I'm gonna purchase it, and I will use this pouch as just like a lipstick pouch. So it just snaps, it closed perfectly with no problem at all. Right here. Wow, that's pretty amazing. So now let's move on to the next item. And this item also is, well, like I said, it's in my wish list. It's not my priority. It is something that, a collector's piece again. So this one came in a box like this. Nice packaging. This one is really heavy. And look at that, presenting the tic-tac-toe set. Wow, it's gorgeous. Wow, it's actually nice in person. Look at those. Wow, pretty amazing. Those buckle, the C buckle, are actually, yeah, definitely it's metal. It's the same as the one that they use in a bag. So this is the gold, this is the detail. Right there, the brass. Oh gosh, this is so pretty. And it has some weight too. And then let's take a look at the silver. The same thing. And how many are there? Oh, there's 10. So there's 10 game pieces. And let me just see if, oh yeah, the board is actually right here at the back. So this is the board, the game board, and it is made up of smooth gloved and leather. Very nice. Look at the patch grid at the back. It seems that, yeah, just probably have some put some conditioner in this. So this is what it says, and then this is the board. Very nice. So yeah, I mean, I don't even remember the last time I played this game, guys. I don't remember at all. Maybe, I don't know, maybe when we were still kids. So yeah, so this is how it would look, like that. Actually, the size is actually it's pretty nice. I totally love it. Like I said, this is a collector's piece, and I believe this is around $66.50, and I would say it's totally worth it. I mean, if you love Coach, if you love the brand, as a collector's piece, this is really perfect. And I was thinking, I don't know, maybe I could use this as a bag charm. It might be really difficult though. That's because this is just, there's nothing, yeah, you cannot really improvise, or I don't know. But all I know is it is going to be part of my collection, and pretty much, yeah, the hardware is actually pretty good. See? So yeah, really nice hardware. And I think this one is still available on the website, so you might want to check the website. This is actually fun. I'm very, very excited for this, even though it took them a while to ship it. And this one, I would probably order some more. That's because this one is very well crafted as a lipstick pouch. This is really, really nice. If you're looking for a lipstick holder or a pouch for, I would say $66.50, including this one. But I know my intention, the reason why I purchased it, because I also like the dies, and this one is, you can literally use it for something else. So anyway, this is my first batch. I must say I've ordered quite a few, because there is a lot of items that went on sale, and there's also bags that are really loved, and I was able to get the one that I've been eyeing for a while, and I'm surprised that it's part of the Reloved release. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and have a great weekend. Bye.